Hi friends, welcome back. In this video, we will be discussing about what is all about Pareto principle in software testing. The Pareto principle is nothing but which is a 80:20 rule. In this 80 versus 20 rule is nothing but we can easily find out the 80% of the issues by concentrating on the 20% of the application features. It means these 20% features will be getting more defects than 80% of the application. This Pareto principle is normally we use for prioritizing the overall testing efforts because even efforts which are not unlimited, we have limited bandwidth will be there and we should get the testing done with limited resources. That time we can adopt this Pareto principle to effectively prioritizing your overall testing efforts so that we can deliver the things with the best quality. By prioritizing in this way, we can easily reduce the overall risk. Using this Pareto's principle, definitely we can do a best in the software testing world.